I know you all like to grow flower plants in your garden, but somehow you might be stuck in growing them or caring them in the wrong way. You may not know when to start, what to grow, and how to take care of flower plants. Am I right? Hi all! Welcome back to our Trust Basket Gardening channel. In my previous video, I discussed when you can start growing the winter flower seeds, and I also shared some budget flower seeds that you can grow with. If you haven't checked that video, the link is given here. You can go and check it. In today's video, I'm going to share a hack for faster germination of flower seeds in the winter. So let's begin. I think you guys are confused why I bought these plastic boxes. I'm going to use the plastic boxes as a mini greenhouse which helps in faster germination of the seeds. So first of all, let me tell you what a greenhouse is and how these plastic boxes acts as a mini greenhouse. The greenhouse is actually a closed structure built in farms or fields to grow the plants in protected condition so as to maintain the temperature and humidity artificially as per the requirements of the plant. So taking that concept, I thought of using these plastic containers which are ideal for sowing seeds as they maintain moisture and warm temperature inside the container which aids in faster seed germination. So this is the concept behind it. I think for sure after seeing this video you will not throw these containers anymore. Now let's see how you can use these boxes. Now take the box and fill it with the germination mix. You can also make a germination mix by mixing 70 to 80% of organic compost with 30 to 20% of river sand. Now I am going to fill these germination trays with the same germination mix. Now press the soil to remove the air pockets. Now sprinkle the seeds on the surface of the soil. Here I am taking the aster seeds. These are phlox seeds. Pansy. Petunia, Celosia. If you want to sow different flower seeds in the same container, you can divide the soil by using any cardboard piece. Now cover the seeds with a fine layer of same germination mix. Now gently press the soil because this will keep the seeds intact when you water it. Now water them thoroughly. Now put this tray in this container and close the lid. It's done. Now keep the containers under the partial sunlight for 10 to 15 days. Watering the seedlings is too tricky. Improper watering may collapse the tiny seedlings. Here, I will give you a small tip. Pour the water into the bottom of the container so whenever the soil is dry, roots absorb water through capillary action from the drainage holes of these drainage trays. Look at these beautiful seedlings. So when you see the 1 to 2 sets of leaves in the seedlings, then this is the perfect time to transplant the seedlings. After transplanting the seedlings for 2 to 3 days, keep the pot away from the direct sunlight. This will prevent the seedlings from transplant shock. So this was all about sowing the seeds. Catch me in my next video where I'll tell how to take care flower plants in the winter. Until then, stay tuned and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.